I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a thinking question on inverse functions. The question is, write general equation of a linear function whose inverse is the function itself. So we're talking about function and inverse to be the same function. Do you understand? You can pause the video, answer the question, and look into my suggestions. Just think about it. Okay, so what I'll do here is we'll try to find the solution using the graph. So when we have linear function, we're talking about a straight line. Another thing is to know that how do you sketch a inverse function. So basically, inverse function is reflection of f of x, the function, on the line y equals to x. Let me write y equals to x, right? So basically, if you have to sketch inverse function or find it from the graph, what we do really is that we draw the line y equals to x, and any line is reflected on that line to get the inverse. Now the idea is to draw a line which is inverse of itself. So we are looking for inverse of function which is itself an inverse. So one of the solutions could be this line itself. Do you see that? Now if I reflect this line on this line, we'll get the same line. Do you get the idea, right? So the number of solutions are there. So the first solution which I get is f of x equals to x, or y equals to x. So y equals to x can be reflected on itself, and you get y equals to x, right? Even if you interchange, it becomes x equals to y, which is y equals to x. Perfect, right? So that is one of the solutions. Can you think about more? Okay. The other one could be, how about if I draw a line which is perpendicular to it, and it's kind of like this. It reflects on itself. This half will come there, that half on that side. Perfect. So the second solution is f of x equals to minus x, right? So it has a slope of -1, so that works. So we are talking about a point here which is 1 or 1 minus 1. Do you get an idea? Okay, so we got two solutions. Now the thing is, could you get me other lines? There are many, which can reflect on themselves. That should give you equation of the line. Well, here is the quick one. So what we could do is, we could do any line in this direction, Do you see that? All these lines will reflect on themselves. So all these lines are the solution. And the equation of these lines will be, they have slope of -1. So the line will be f of x equals to minus x plus any y-intercept. Doesn't matter. Plus b. Do you see that? That becomes another equation of the line which will always be inverse of itself. So if you find inverse of this function, you get the same thing. So what you get here is f inverse of x is equals to, again, minus x plus b. So try it out and check for yourself. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that really helps. This is one of the most difficult questions which you might get. Thank you and all the best. And if you like, you can put a like. All the best.